Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. No, I have not dyed my hair. This is a wig. I thought I would jazz up this look that I'm going to be creating with this wig because I thought it would pair really well. You guys have probably heard of James Charles. He is literally the queen of makeup. He is unreal at creating so many different looks, and I've been thinking a little bit lately about doing more creative looks myself, and I thought I would kind of start sort of a little series here on YouTube of recreating like celebrities, music artists, or really huge beauty influencers makeup looks. So my first one is James Charles and the Galaxy kind of spacey makeup look that he created. I loved it so much that I want to do it for you guys today. I've got a few extra jewels and gems that I'm going to be applying into the look to kind of make it my own. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy watching me attempt to recreate his look. It's definitely not going to be as good as his because he is unreal at makeup, but I'm going to give it a go because why not? So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? I mean, I feel like I've done a pretty good job. It's not up there on the high level with James Charles, but I feel like I gave it a good go and I'm loving it. I also love the fact that I paired this look with space buns as well. I think it really finishes it off. I also love the face lace star stickers that I used. I feel like it's added kind of another dimension because they're like iridescent and they sparkle. So fab. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I've put links below to all the products if you want to check any of them out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back very, very soon with another creative look inspired by another celebrity or makeup artist or music artist. Yeah, I've got another one up my sleeve and it's coming shortly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in another video here very, very soon. Peace out.